So we got a call for a Toyota Tacoma that is stranded up here. They said they're on the Tokerville Falls Road, but I see them over there. They went left instead of right. So we're gonna go up and see what's wrong with the vehicle and see if it's something that we can tow out or if we're gonna have to fix it where it lies.
The spring tension might have broke on it. That whole upper control arm sitting down on the tire.
I was assuming that the cartridge bearing in there was bad, but I would expect there to be some motion. And you said it came with a noise?
The long bolt, that's what I was wondering, if maybe the long bolt or the spring tension in there, but they said it's kind of an odd one, so they're pulling it off right now. But oh, cool, yeah, it's what they call a winger, so I got the winger guys out here. They seem to know what they're doing, so they'll take a look at it. Yeah, it sounds like it. That's where I think we're
How come this isn't obvious?
So they said that you go up there and then you...
Is that arm bent at all anywhere?
That's the only thing it could be.
Yeah, I'm really not. No, we were on the...
This might be bent right there.
Just ever so slightly.
Yeah.
Enough.
Yeah, I don't know if I can talk them into going again tomorrow if we'll get this fixed. I kind of want to go try it again, but I think my nieces and nephews are done with me. They were all hot and grumpy, like I was
That enough to do it?
I would think not, but
That is.
did you meet that though? Is there a mark on the tire?
Seriously, this is getting old, Luke. All right, gotta go. Bye.
So did this happen, did the noise happen back there?
On the turn, yeah.
On the turn? Okay, this is what,
So what happened?
there's a big rock there that you drove right over.
Oh, did I?
And the upper part of this spindle is bent right here. It's not, it's just over the whole thing. So this whole thing's just bent in like that. And that's, of course, that's why nothing's loose, nothing. But,
so does that mean the upper control arm's probably bent up too, if that one bend?
It's probably not, actually.
Really? You think because of the ball joints in there would cushion it? Okay.
It's a fuse.
So it needs a new control arm.
Or, yeah, so it would be this whole spindle. But
Right.
yeah, I can see this one's got more of a curve to it than the other side. Yeah, let's drop that. We'll take this for reference. Everybody I need to talk to is right here. Okay, I'm going to check my yard, see if I've got anything.
Too small.
Oh, it ain't. Not by the time I was done with it. So what are you on, 3/16?
Part way between them. I'm 20.8 on 3/16.
Part way between what?
3/16 and a quarter.
Oh.
I got the wire speed of a quarter basically, and the other one of 3/16.
Okay, so.
You coming with us, Ed?
This truly is going to be an experiment. What we did can best be described as shenanigans.
So we'll probably just tow it down to that.
Gotcha.
Yeah, thanks for checking.
Yeah, the other place was tomorrow in 440, so that might be where they're
Yeah, I
getting
think
this
it'll
one.
be worth just. I have to be back at work Saturday night, so I'll probably just go through them.
So, let's see. Okay, just like I thought, we're not quite clearing the brakes, but that's okay. I brought something to make sure we did. The question is, do we use those ones or the other ones? So let's try these ones. Always do the minimum.
Those other ones aren't going to work, I can tell you that already.
Okay.
Somebody to credit while you visit too.
It's too far in. Look how far in those have to go.
Oh man.
I wonder if you could use some washers. Oh no, because it wouldn't clear the brake.
The brakes now the new problem.
Oh.
Might do a little bit of self cleansing.
I wonder if, like, do you guys have any cardboard? Like, I wonder if you could even, like, layer some cardboard pieces in there.
I could make some wheel spacers.
Can you put them here and it work? Just put them right here.
Huh?
The hole's
Oh.
got junk.
Well, the holes are great. The
Oh,
problem
okay.
is
You need
we
the
need
outside
to,
edges.
we just need a one side cut like this,
Oh, okay.
so that it'll fit like that. Okay. Okay, here's another one to start on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a knife. Hey, you want to head to Spring Drive?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye. So that took a little bit of figuring out to get it done, but we did it. I don't know how you're supposed to do it, but that's how we did it today. Thanks for watching.